all of the information pertaining to visitors from the United States who are returning visitors to the site. You'll notice that all of the metrics in the table have automatically been updated, and when you click to view the heat map, the data or coloration in the heat map will pertain to just those visitors on the site. This is great when you want to get really fine-tuned in your analysis. Each individual link, button, or clickable element will also have link analytics attached to it. If you mouse over, you'll notice that you'll get metrics about the clicks, hovers, hover to click rate, hover to click time, hover order, clicking visitors, time before hover, and time before click. And this is great when you compare between elements or different versions of a page, like you would when you're doing A/B testing. You can adjust the intensity of each click, as well as the opacity of the heat map itself as well. If you want to view a different heat map of this page, you can switch between the heat maps here. And you can adjust the date range as well. If you want to view the same metrics about the page that we did in the previous screen, you can click to expand and see all of those items here. Finally, you can click to view this heat map in full screen mode or go to the page itself. Let's switch to a different page, which we'll do with this menu in the upper left corner. Let's also switch over to the movement heat map. The movement heat map is a great proxy for eye tracking. We know that there's high areas of mouse movement where users are paying the most attention. As we scroll down, you'll notice that there's less and less mouse movement further down the page. Let's move to the scroll heat map. The scroll heat map shows you which parts of a page are or aren't visible to visitors when it first loads. You'll notice that the top part of this page is red, indicating that it is highly visible to visitors. Then we have various metrics further down the page, indicating visibility at various points. The average fold position is 857 pixels. This tells us that, on average, 857 pixels of this page are visible to visitors when it first loads. Finally, the attention heat map shows which areas of a page are most or least engaging to visitors. In this case, you can see that most of the engagement is centered over the table itself here, not over the top navigation or other areas further on down the page. One of my favorite features of Mouseflow's heat maps is their ability to be resized to different viewports. For example, I can reduce the layout here. This is now our mobile view, and the clicks are automatically remapped and adjusted to this particular layout of the page. This means you can see exactly what users see and study their behavior in aggregate with our heat maps. That's all there is to heat maps. We hope this has been helpful, and thank you for watching. Welcome to the Mouseflow. In this video, we'll take a look at the ins and outs of the recording list. The recording list is a list of all the sessions available on the site. The recording list shows a list of all the sessions on the website that are tracked. By default, it's organized by when those visitors are last seen. The most recent are always at the top. For each of the sessions, you can see additional data like their location, refer, entry page,